We are just 5 days away from August 1st, the start of the 30 Apps in 30 Days challenge. So today I was going over the tech stack, and here's what we got so far. For the web framework, Next.js, React.js obviously, and TypeScript. Styling, Tailwind CSS, UI components, ChatCN UI, database ORM, Prisma, database Postgres. For database hosting, I was thinking of Neon. For app hosting and deployment, I was thinking of just sticking with Vercel. I wasn't thinking of using any app development ecosystem like Supabase or AppWrite, but it could come in handy later. For authentication, I've used Clerk before and I was pretty happy with it, so I'll probably stick with that. For payments, I was thinking of sticking with Stripe, but I heard Clerk also has some sort of payment integration, and if I'm using Clerk for auth, it might simplify some things. If I need to store any objects, I was thinking just sticking with S3 because that's basically what everybody uses. If I need to send any emails, I'll probably use Resend. I haven't used it before, but it looks pretty developer friendly and the documentation looks good. I've used SendGrid before and it was all right, and I'd pretty much do anything to get away from Amazon SES, so yeah. For AI development environment, I'm going to use Cursor Pro, but I'm probably going to also play around with Claude Code. I don't think I have a need for AI code reviews, but if I do, I'm probably going to use Cursor's PR Assist. For any AI service calls, I'm going to use a mix of OpenAI and Anthropic models. For any domain names, I usually use Namecheap. For traffic analytics, I'm going to use Google Analytics, but Vercel also has some analytics out of the box, so I'm going to see if that's going to be good enough. For product analytics and feature flagging, I'm going to use PostHog because it kind of simplifies a lot of different things, but I'm open to try other ones. And that's pretty much it, unless I need some of these other things. I'm probably not going to use CI/CD unless I really need it. If I need to write any diagrams, I'm probably going to use Eraser.io or Excalidraw. And if I'm going to do any mockups, I'm either going to use pen and paper or Balsamiq mockups. Figma's just way too high fidelity and probably going to take a lot of time. And that's it for the web tech stack. And honestly, I'm just going to stick with web for now. If it really warrants making a mobile app, then I'll revisit making a mobile tech stack. So from here, I'm going to set up some sample projects just to get used to setting up the dependencies. And I'm still posting every day. So I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.